Hey, what's going on guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the Math.E property. So what this property represent is the base of the natural log or logarithm, that is approximately 2.718, and you can use many things for that. So what we just need to do is uh, first what we're gonna do, the think about a situation where you create compound interest with the math interest, so you can use that there, so function, here we have it, compound, we just creating one, so compound 1 year, so I'm gonna name that, and now we will pass bunch parameters. So interest rate short for R, and the current value, so V the smaller it will be better, now what we just need to do is return the current value, sort for the V, and we will multiply with the Math.E object, the logarithm with the thing we are talking about, and then power of interest rate, which will be R, and then when we're done with that, what we just need to do is log it on a console. The first you need to see what Math.E value is, so it's here, and if you call that function, just we need to call that function compound 1 year, and inside that first we need to pass the interest rate 0.05, yeah, and comma 100, let's take it 100, it will be 105, the compound interest of that, and you need to log on that and put inside that, so x v, and it's here. So pretty simple is that. So hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.